So hi there students, welcome back to another video lesson. So after nating i-discuss yung multiplication and division of rational algebraic expressions, so we'll now move on to addition of rational algebraic expressions. So let's have the lesson objective. So we will be adding similar and dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. So if you are aware with similar and dissimilar fractions, so related po sila doon. But in here, we will be talking about rational expressions. So before we proceed to our main discussion, let's have a short activity. So add the following rational numbers. So sa fractions po, so we have two kinds of fractions, similar and dissimilar. Okay, so similar kapag po yung mga denominators ay pareho. And then kapag hindi pareho, dissimilar. So let's have number 1, 3 over 16 plus negative 9 over 16. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang po natin dito sa similar fractions na to, so we'll just add the numerator and then over natin sa denominator. So, that is 3 plus negative 9 all over 16. So, 3 plus negative 9, that is negative 6 all over 16. And then, we simplify negative 6 all over 16. So, the GCF or the greatest common factor is 2. So, ang sagot po dito is negative 3 over 8. Okay, next. 5, 8 plus 2 thirds. So, ang gagawin po natin dito, kunin po natin yung LCD. So, ang mangyayari po ganito. So, yung LCD po ng 8 tsaka 3, that is 24. Now, 24, i-divide po natin dun sa denominator ng unang fraction. So, 24 divided by 8, that is 3. And then, multiply natin sa numerator. So, times 5, that is 15. Next, 24, divide natin sa denominator ng second fraction, that is 3, divided by 3 nga, that is 8. And then, times 2, that is 16. Now, 15 plus 16, that is 31 over 24. As you can see, improper fraction po. Kapag improper fraction, mas mataas po yung number na nasa numerator kesa sa denominator. So, i-change natin to into mixed numbers. So, 31 divided by 24, that is 1. And then, may remainder na 7 over 24. So, this will be our final answer. Next, negative 9 all over 10 plus 5 over 8. So, the LCD of 10 and 8 is 40. So, pwede nating apply dito yung butterfly method. So, ito po yun. So, i-multiply natin to. Parang naka-diagonal na yan. Okay. So, and then the LCD is 40. So, the product of negative 9 and 8, that is negative 72. The product of 10 and 5, that is 50. So, plus 50. Negative 72 plus 50, that is negative 22 all over 40. So, the GCF of negative 22 and 40 is 2. So, our final answer will be negative 11 all over 20. So, here are the steps in adding similar rational algebraic expressions. In adding similar rational expressions, add the numerators and place the sum over the denominator and then simplify if possible. If A over C and B over C are two rational expressions, then A over C plus B over C is equal to A plus B over C, where C should not be equal to 0. So again, C or the denominator should not be equal to 0. It's because undefined nga. So let's have example number 1 and 2. So for number 1, a plus 6 all over 4 plus 2a minus 5 all over 4. So since yung kanilang mga denominator ay pareho lang, so we'll just add the numerators. So that is a plus 6 plus 2a minus 5 all over 4. And then we combine like terms. So, a plus 2a, that is 3a. So, kapag po variable lang po siya, understood po ang numerical coefficient ay 1. And then, 6 plus negative 5 or 6 minus 5, that is 1. all over 4. So, can we simplify 3a plus 1 all over 4? So, hindi na po. So, this will be our final answer. Next, 2x minus 5 all over 6x plus negative 1 over 6x. So, same process. So, we combine the numerator. So, i-add natin 2x minus 5 plus negative 1 all over 6x. So, and then 2x minus 5 plus negative 1, that is negative 5 plus negative 1, negative 6, all over 6x. Now, using greatest common monomial factor, 2x minus 6 will be factored as 2 times x minus 3. So, kasi po yung GCF is 2. And then over 6x. So, now we can cancel 2 and 6 kasi ang GCF ay 2. So, kapag dinivide po natin ng 2 sa 2, that is 1 na lang. And then, yung 6 magiging 3. So, our final answer will be x minus 3 all over 3x. So, hindi po natin pwedeng i-cancel yung x dun sa x minus 3 tsaka 3x sa denominator. It's because meron pong operation sa tabi ng x. Okay, meron po kasing minus 3. So, let's have examples 3 and 4. So, number 3, 5m all over m plus 4 plus 20 all over m plus 4. So, we add the numerator, 5m plus 20 all over m plus 4. Now, using common monomial factor, so ipa-factor natin yung 5m plus 20 kung possible. So, yung GCF ng 5 tsaka 20, that is 5. So, i-factor out natin yung 5. And then, to get the terms inside the parentheses, we need to divide 5m plus 20 by 5. So, 5m divided by 5, that is m. 20 divided by 5, that is 4. All over m plus 4. As you can see, pwede po natin i-cancel yung m plus 4 sa numerator tsaka dun sa denominator. So, kapag kinancel po natin yon, so our final answer will be 5 lang po. Okay. Next, 2 all over 3y minus 2 plus y plus 5 all over 3y minus 2. So, magiging 2 plus y plus 5 all over 3y minus 2. And then, we combine like terms. So, y plus 2 plus 5, that is 7, all over 3y minus 2. So, this will be our final answer. Next, examples 5 and 6. Number 5, 5w plus 2 all over w squared minus 25 plus negative 3w plus 8 all over w squared minus 25. So, add natin yung mga terms sa numerator. 5w plus 2 plus negative 3w plus 8. Okay. All over w squared minus 25. And then, we combine like terms. 5w plus negative 3w, that is 2w. Then, 2 plus 8, that is 10. All over w squared minus 25. Now, we can factor both numerator and denominator. So, sa numerator po, using common monomial factor, ang GCF is 2. So, magiging 2 times the quantity w plus 5. What about the denominator? So, we can factor the expression in the denominator using difference of two squares. That is w minus 5 times w plus 5. Now, we cancel common terms. So, w plus 5, w plus 5. So, our final answer will be 2 all over w minus 5. So, again, applied pa rin po dito yung ating mga factoring techniques. Next, number 6, p minus 1 all over p squared plus 5p plus 6 plus 3 all over p squared plus 5p plus 6. So, combining the terms on the numerator, So, negative 1 plus 3, that is 2. So, p plus 2 all over p squared plus 5p plus 6. Next, we can factor p squared plus 5p plus 6 using general quadratic trinomial. So, what are the factors of 6 that when added will give a sum of 5? The numerical coefficient of the middle term. So, 3 and 2 po. So, isulat po natin siya p plus 2 all over p plus 2 times p plus 3. And then, using cancellation, so p plus 2 makakancel sa numerator tsaka sa denominator. So, kapag wala pong natira na term sa numerator, hindi po 0 yon. Understood po? 1. Okay, so our final answer will be 1 over p plus 3. So, this will be our final answer. So, what about the steps in adding dissimilar rational algebraic expressions? So, in here, so dissimilar po, hindi na po magkamukha yung mga denominator. So, the first one, we need to find the LCD, the least common denominator. Next, rewrite each expression as an equivalent expression with the LCD. Next, add the numerators and keep the LCD. And then, simplify if possible. So, let's have example number 1. X plus 5 all over 8 plus x minus 3 over 12. So, what is the LCD of 8 and 12? So, yung LCD po, so sulat natin dito, of 8 and 12. So, that is 24. And then, i-rewrite natin yung mga expressions as equivalent expressions. So, ang mangyayari po nito, x plus 5 over 8, i-multiply natin to by 3 over 3. Okay, so paano po nakuha yung 3 over 3? That is 24 divided by 8. So, kung ano po ang minultiply natin sa denominator, ganun din po sa numerator. Plus x minus 3 over 12. So, dito, 24 divided by 12, that is 2. So, 2 over 2 naman po ang i-multiply. Next. So, magiging 3 times x plus 5 all over 24 plus 2 times x minus 3 all over 24. As you can see, equivalent expressions na po sila. So, ipa-perform lang natin yung mga operations both sides. So, yung 3, i-distribute natin sa x plus 5, yung 2 sa x minus 3. Okay. So, rewrite lang natin dito. So, 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 5, that is 15. And then, pwede na natin pagsamahin. 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6. All over 24. Next, we combine like terms. 3x plus 2x, that is 5x. And then 15 minus 6, that is 9. All over 24. So we cannot simplify anymore 5x plus 9 over 24 kasi wala ng common factor. So this will be our final answer. So we cannot simplify 9 and 24 ha kasi meron pong 5x po doon. So kung 9 over 24 lang pwede kasi divisible by 3. So, let's have number 2. 8 over 9y squared plus 5 over 6y. So, we need to get the LCD of 9y squared and 6y. So, i-list down natin yung mga prime factors. So, yung 9, pwede siyang 3 times 3 times y times y. So, next, 6y naman po, pwede siyang 3 times 2, and then times y. Okay. So, what will be the LCD? So, yung 3 tsaka 3, so that is 9. Diba? and then yung 2, and then y times y. So, ayan po. So, i-multiply lang po natin yan. 9 times 2, that is 18. And then y times y, that is y squared. So, our LCD is 18y squared. So, and then, rewrite natin tong given natin, 8 over 9y squared. And then, i-multiply natin yung, yung quotient kapag dinivide natin yung 18y squared sa 9y squared. That is 2. So, we multiply 2 to both numerator and denominator. Next, plus 5 over 6y. So, 18y squared divided by 6y, that is 3y. So, i-multiply natin yung 3y. Okay, next. 8 times 2, that is 16 over 18y squared plus 5 times 3y, that is 15y over 6y times 3y, that is 18y squared. And then, combine natin sila kasi similar na sila. So, 16 plus 15y, susulat siya as 15y plus 16. So, kapag sinusulat po natin yung constant term, yung walang variable, laging nasa huli. Then, over 18y squared. So, this will be our final answer. So, let's have example number 3. 7a all over 3a squared b plus 4b over 6ab to the 4th power. So, yung LCM, so kung LCM, 3 tsaka 6, least common multiple, yung LCM po is 6. So, dahil denominator sila, LCD, so 6. What about a squared tsaka a? So, ang ano po sa kanila is a squared. And then, sa b naman, tsaka b to the 4th power, that will become b to the 4th power. So, this will be our LCD. And then, rewrite lang natin. So, 6a squared b to the 4th power divided by 3a squared b. So, i-multiply natin to both numerator ay 2b cubed. Okay, plus 4b all over 6ab to the 4th power. I-multiply naman natin dito is a lang. So, a. Next, 7a times 2b cubed, that is 14a b cubed all over 6a squared b to the 4th power plus 4b times a, that is 4ab over 6a squared b to the 4th power. Next, pagsamahin natin, 14ab cubed plus 4ab all over 6a squared b to the 4th power. Now, so pwede natin i-factor yung 14ab cubed tsaka 4ab. Okay, so ang greatest common monomial factor, dun sa 14 and 4 muna, 2. And then dun sa a, and then sa b, b. Okay, so 14ab cubed divided by 2ab, that is 7b squared plus 4ab divided by 2ab, that is 2. Tapos yung ab, makakancel na. And then over 6a squared b to the 4th power. And then, pwede nating i-cancel yung 2 tsaka 6. So, i-rewrite lang natin dito. So, pag i-cancel natin yung 2 tsaka 6, magiging 1 na lang ito. And then, yung 6, magiging 3. Yung a naman, sa 2ab, makakancel yon. And then, dun sa a squared sa baba, a na lang. And then, yung b sa numerator, makakancel. And then, yung b to the 4th power, magiging b cubed na lang. So, our final answer will be 7b squared plus 2 all over yung natira sa baba, that is 3. And then, a b cubed. So, our final answer again, 7b squared plus 2 all over 3ab cubed. So, for our next example, 2 over x minus 4 plus 5 over x plus 4. So, yung LCD po nito, so since magkaiba po, pagsasamahin lang po natin. So, x minus 4 times x plus 4. So, i-rewrite natin. So, magiging 2 over x minus 4 times, ano ang i-multiply sa kanya? So, ang kabaligtaran ng x minus 4. So, that is x plus 4 over x plus 4. Next, plus 5 over x plus 4. So, ang kabaligtaran naman ng x plus 4, that is x minus 4. And then, so pagsamahin natin sila, sulat natin yung LCD x minus 4 times x plus 4. So, 2 times x plus 4 plus 5 times x minus 4. So, i-distribute lang natin yan yung mga terms. So, 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times 4, that is 8. Plus 5 times x, 5x. 5 times negative 4, that is negative 20. All over x minus 4 times x plus 4. Next, we combine like terms. So, 2x plus 5x, that is 7x. And then 8 minus 20, that is negative 12. Over x minus 4 times x plus 4. So, hindi na po natin pwedeng i-factor out pa yung 7x minus 12. So, kasi yung GCF lang po is 1. So, yung final answer po natin, kailangan po natin i-multiply yung mga expressions na nasa denominator. So, since pareho po sila ng term, magkaiba lang ng sign. So, gagawin lang po natin, multiply po natin yung dalawang first term saka dalawang last term. So, x times x, that is x squared. Negative 4 times 4, that is negative 16. So, our final answer will be 7x minus 12 all over x squared minus 16. Example number 5, 7n all over n plus 3 plus 8 all over n minus 5. So, yung LCD, n plus 3, tsaka n minus 5. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dito is yung butterfly method. So, i-rewrite lang natin. So, 7n over n plus 3 plus 8 all over n minus 5. So, yung butterfly method, 7n times n minus 5, tapos 8 times n plus 3. So, ganun lang po ang butterfly method. I-rewrite po natin yan. 7n times n minus 5 plus 8 times n plus 3 all over yung LCD n plus 3 times n minus 5. Okay, next. 7n times n, that is 7n squared. 7n times negative 5, that is negative 35n. Plus 8 times n, that is 8n. 8 times 3, that is 24. All over n plus 3 over n minus 5. And then we combine like terms. 7n squared. And then yung negative 35n tsaka 8n. So, magkamukha po kasi sila ng term. So, i-add lang natin, that is negative 27n plus 24. All over n plus 3 times n minus 5. So, hindi po natin pwedeng i-factor yung 7n squared minus 27n plus 24. So, kasi kapag minultiply natin yung 7 sa 24, wala naman pong factors na kapag pinag-add sila, lilitaw yung negative 27n. So, yung negative 27. And then, ang mangyayari dito, multiply na lang po natin yung mga expressions na nasa denominator. So that will become 7n squared minus 27n plus 24 all over. So using FOIL method, n times n, that is n squared. And then i-add natin yung product ng outer terms and inner terms. So n times negative 5, that is negative 5n. Tapos 3 times n, 3n. So negative 5n plus 3n, that is negative 2n. 3 times negative 5 yung last terms. So that is negative 15. So this will be our final answer. So let's have example number 6. 3x plus 1 all over 2x minus 6 plus x plus 2 all over x minus 3. So yung LCD po natin, so yung 2x minus 6, pwede po siyang i-factor as 2 times x minus 3. So as you can see, meron pong x minus 3 dito sa tabi ng 2x minus 6. So our LCD will be 2 times x minus 3 na mismo. So and then we rewrite 3x plus 1 times 2x minus 6. So what must be multiplied to both numerator and denominator? So that is only 1. Okay, so i-retain lang po natin siya kasi 2x minus 6, ang factored form niya, yung ating LCD. Plus x plus 2 all over x minus 3. So dito naman ay multiply po natin. So kapag dinivide natin LCD dun sa x minus 3, matitira lang yung 2. So 2 over 2 ang i-multiply natin. Now, copy lang natin ulit 3x plus 1 plus 2 times the quantity x plus 2 all over 2 times x minus 3 muna. Next, 3x plus 1 plus yung 2, i-distribute natin. So 2 times x, that is 2x. And then 2 times 2, that is 4 over 2 times x minus 3. And then we combine like terms, 3x plus 2x, that is 5x. 1 plus 4, that is 5. Over 2 times x minus 3. So yung 5x plus 5, pwede natin siyang i-factor as 5 times x plus 1. However, kahit i-factor natin siya, wala din namang makakancel. It's because x minus 3 yung nasa denominator. So our final answer will be 5x plus 5 all over 2x minus 6. So kasi yung 2 times x minus 3, multiply lang po natin. Next example, number 7. 3x plus 12 all over x squared plus x minus 12 plus 2 over x minus 3. So yung x squared plus x minus 12 can be factored as x plus 4 times x minus 3 using general quadratic trinomial. Okay, so yung factors ng negative 12 na magbibigay ng sum na 1, yung coefficient ng x, 4, tsaka negative 3. Now, what will be our LCD? So you can see yung x minus 3, meron din po dito sa 2 over x minus 3. So our LCD, x plus 4 times x minus 3 na mismo. Then we rewrite, so 3x plus 12 all over x plus 4 times x minus 3 plus, so wala pong minultiply dito kasi yung LCD po kapareho po ng term na nasa denominator. So and then 2 over x minus 3 dito naman po i-multiply is x plus 4. So rewrite lang natin 3x plus 12 plus 2 times the quantity x plus 4 all over x plus 4 times x minus 3. Next, 3x plus 12 plus yung 2, distribute natin sa x plus 4, magiging 2x plus 8. all over x plus 4 times x minus 3. Then we combine like terms, 5x plus 20 all over x plus 4 times x minus 3. So, 3x plus 2x po kasi 5x. 12 plus 8, that is 20. And then we can factor out 5x plus 20. So, magiging 5 times x plus 4 all over x plus 4 times x minus 3. So, doon, pinactor po natin is because meron po tayong pwedeng i-cancel. So, that is x plus 4. So, our final answer, so sulat ko na lang po dito yung ating final answer, 5 over x minus 3. So, for our last example, negative 2 all over x squared minus 2x minus 3 plus 3 all over x squared minus 9. So, yung ifa-factor out po natin tong x squared minus 2x minus 3 using general quadratic trinomial. So, magiging x minus 3 tsaka x plus 1. Yung x squared minus 9 naman using difference of two squares, x plus 3 tsaka x minus 3. So, our LCD, so magiging x minus 3 and then x plus 1 tsaka x plus 3. Okay. So, i-rewrite lang natin negative 2 over x minus 3 times x plus 1. So, ay multiply po sa kanya is x plus 3. Next, sa kabila naman po, ay multiply sa kanya is x plus 1. Okay. Ayan. Next. So, i-rewrite lang po natin. Nagiging 2 times x plus 3 all over yung LCD. So, x minus 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 3 plus 3 over 3 times x plus 1 all over yung LCD. Okay. So, and then, negative 2, distribute natin siya, magiging negative 2x minus 6 plus 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 1, that is 3. All over yung LCD. So, yung LCD, regardless naman sa order, as long as yun talaga yung least common denominator. So, and then we combine like terms. Negative 2x plus 3x, that is x. And then negative 6 plus 3, that is x. That is negative 3. So, x minus 3 all over x minus 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. So, pwede tayo mag-cancel dito yung x minus 3. So, and then, magiging 1 over yung product ng x plus 1 tsaka x plus 3 using FOIL method, magiging x squared plus 4x plus 3. So, sana maging aware kayo sa FOIL method kasi malaking tulong po siya sa pagmumultiply. So, yun po yung ating final answer. 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 3. So, after we add rational algebraic expression, of course, our last operation for rational expressions will be subtraction. So, we will be subtracting rational algebraic expressions sa ating susunod na video lesson. So, I hope naging clear po sa atin yung addition of rational algebraic expressions, lalo na yung pagkuha ng LCD and then yung pag-apply ng mga factoring techniques. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.